Hey everyone, welcome to April Adventures. Today we are making a classic Italian dessert that's rich, creamy, and oh, so irresistible tiramisu. This version has a touch of rum, enough for flavor but not too boozy. Here's everything you'll need: espresso or strong coffee, mascarpone cheese, egg yolks, sugar, heavy cream, a little dark rum, vanilla extract, lady fingers, and cocoa powder. I'll leave all the exact measurements in the description below in Marathi and in English. Step 1 is making the espresso rum dipping mixture. Start by adding 3.5 tablespoons of Dellalo Instant Espresso powder, or you can use any other instant espresso powder or instant coffee powder. We gotta make sure that the coffee is strong enough. Add 2 cups of hot water. Now let's add 1/4 cup of dark rum to the espresso mixture. You can also adjust the quantity of dark rum as per your liking. Stir carefully and set it aside until it's room temperature. Step 2. Make mascarpone egg mixture. In a big mixing bowl, take 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Add 2 tablespoons of dark rum to the mascarpone cheese and whisk it properly. Now we'll need 6 large egg yolks. Carefully separate the 6 large egg yolks from the egg whites. Quick baker's tip: you can also store the egg whites in the freezer and use it later for omelets or making meringue. Add 2/3 cups of granulated sugar to the egg yolks. It's approximately 133 grams. Place the bowl over simmering water. Make sure the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water, and whisk continuously for about 5 to 8 minutes. We are looking at a pale yellow color and a slightly thick texture. Pour the custard into the mascarpone and whisk until it's completely combined. Then pop it in the fridge for 15 minutes to cool down. Now while that chills, beat 2 cups of heavy whipping cream with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You want nice, stiff peaks, but be careful not to over whip it. Now, gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture. Don't worry if it's not perfectly smooth. A light whisk at the end helps bring it all together. Now, let's get to the last step of making tiramisu. Step 3, Assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the coffee rum mixture, just 1 to 2 seconds per side. They soak up liquid super fast, so don't linger. Arrange a full layer of soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch dish. Spread half the mascarpone cream over the top and smooth it out. Repeat with another layer of dipped ladyfingers and then the rest of the cream. Now, dust the top with a generous layer of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now here comes the hardest part. Cover it and put it in the fridge for about 15 to 16 hours. I promise you it's worth the wait. And that's it. Your creamy, dreamy tiramisu is ready to steal the show. Let it chill, slice it up, and get ready for compliments. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sweet adventures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.